Hello YouTube. First project I want to start on the new lathe is a centre drill holder. I've got an MT2 blank here, just a cheap one from eBay. They're unhardened steel, nothing special. You can machine the end however you feel like it. All I've got to do is drill a hole in the end of this one, which will take a centre drill, and then I'll drill and tap a hole in the side, which will just have a grub screw holding the centre drill. I've got a centre drill in the chuck, and you wouldn't normally use a 3-jaw chuck to hold a cutter or a centre drill, but as I haven't got a collet chuck, I'm making the best of what I've got. I'm going to pop this blank into the tailstock and steadily feed onto it, and we'll just see what happens. Well, that went rather well, and it's actually machined quite nicely. I'm going to stick a 5mm drill in the chuck now and repeat, just trying to avoid the drill slipping, and just going to repeat the same thing again, nice and steady, slowly feeding in, and that's actually machined quite nicely. The final diameter I need is 6.3, but I haven't actually got a drill of that size, so I'm going to pop the centre drill back in, and I'll slowly peck in and out with the centre drill, just cleaning the hole out to the final diameter. This isn't the right way to do it, but like I said at the beginning, I'm just making do with what I have. I'll just check the fit. Yeah, nice and tight. There's no movement there. Hopefully it ends up central, and it is a good fit with no wobble. So I've just fitted a grub screw here, which is just locking on the centre drill, holding it in place. And I've got a small offcut of steel in the chuck, and we'll just give it a go. It's now, as you can see, this works spot on, just as intended. My tailstock, on the other hand, is sliding back as I feed in, which is mainly because the eccentric shaft that locks it in place has almost worn away and has had a couple of bad repairs that I could see when I put it back together, which is now on the list of things to do. I'm more than happy with how this has turned out. Once the tailstock's sorted out, I'll get a bit of use out of it.